Are you the type of person that wants to achieve salon-like SNS nails in the comfort of your own home? Well, you come to the right place. I got
you. That shit definitely go. Gotta get it how you get it, everybody talking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our nails. This is the video that I feel like a lot of people have been waiting for, because I posted on Instagram. I was like, who wants an SNS tutorial? And a lot of people were like, me. So here we are. I just want to put it out there that I am not a nail tech. I repeat, I am not a nail tech. So if I do something wrong, let it be. It works for me, okay? I don't want to hear nothing about nothing. Okay? I'm not a nail tech. But anyway, I love doing SNS nails. I've been doing SNS for about 6 years now, and these are my natural nails. So that's the reason I do SNS. I naturally have kind of thin nails, and I don't like doing acrylic because my nails don't grow when I use acrylic. Personal choice. So SNS kind of became a good alternative for me. Everything that I learned on how to do SNS on my own nails, I learned from watching my nail tech. And with quarantine, I couldn't go see her like I wanted to. I miss her a lot, but I had to figure it out. So what I came up with was buying my own salon. Yeah, I brought everything that I needed, and I mean everything that I needed from Amazon, and created my own nail salon. So I could do my own nails whenever I needed to, and I'll be doing that until I run out, because I paid for it. So, but SNS is, for anybody that doesn't know, SNS is like powdered acrylic. You get the hardness without the harshness, in my opinion. It's just the dip powder. You don't have to actually like bond it with the you don't have to do all that. All you do is that's it. That was a perfect little demonstration. So, I'm really excited to show you guys, so you guys can be doing it on your own. If you guys do decide to follow this video and try it out yourselves, please let me know. Send me pictures. Let me see what you guys come up with. Yeah, let's get into what you need for the process. So I'm going to start off with the materials that I got from Amazon. I got these little nail dippers, and these are used if you have SNS or something already on your nails. You can put the acetone in there, dip your hands in, let it soak for a minute, take it out, and that's it. You don't have to use the foil. That brings us to acetone. You need 100% acetone. I used to use the colorful nail polish remover. That won't work. You need acetone, okay? Next, you need some files and buffers. And lastly, you need a drill. Now, this drill was only, I want to say it was only 20 bucks. And it's a pretty good drill. Like, I can really get down and get everything perfectly for a home remedy to the nail salon, okay? Next, we have everything that I ordered from NuGenesis. So I chose to use NuGenesis to get all of my SNS stuff. There are a lot of different companies. I know there's Rossi Nails. I tried ordering from them and it took 2 months, but this is not a review. This is a tutorial. But anyway, so I bought myself a NuGenesis, and they were having a deal that was you got a clear coat, a pink, and the 4 steps, and that was like $60. And then if you spent $100, you got free shipping. So that's what I did. I got a bunch of different colors. I'm not going to show y'all the colors because that would just take an excessive amount of time. But I will show you guys the 4 steps. So this is how you actually put the SNS on your nails. They give you these colored and labeled steps. Number 1 is the prep liquid. Number 2 is the base gel. Number 3 is the activator liquid. And number 4 is the finishing gel. And I'm going to go into detail on how you do each, obviously. But yeah, those are the 4 steps. And I think that's it. That's really all you need. So we're about to get into it. We're going to get into it. We're going to take these nails and transfer them into another color. Okay? Okie dokie. Alright, here we go. So you're going to start off by drilling off the top layer of your nails, drilling off that clear coat. It just makes it easier for it to come off and faster. It's still going to take a long time, but hey, anything that helps will make it better. So after you drill off, you're just going to soak it in the acetone. Yeah. And when I say an eternity, it is an eternity. Okay, so these are my bare nails. They look like claws, but let's not talk about it. Okay, so now you're going to go in and file your nails. My nails are pretty thin, so I don't like to file it too much. Just to kind of get that shape there. Because you're going to have to file it again and again until you get it perfectly. But I just like to do a little bit of shaping. So we're going to brush it off with my little paintbrush. Get all those little dust bunnies away because then that gets in the actual SNS, which sucks. Now I'm going in with my little drill using this head so I can kind of clean up my cuticles. I don't have an actual cuticle cutter, so this is what works for me. If you do choose to do this, make sure you're extra careful because you can actually really cut yourself up. So now I'm going in and buffering my nails, making sure that everything's smooth so that when I put the SNS on, it just has a nice, clean, smooth surface to lie on. And you're gonna do this for a while till everything feels good and smooth. Alright, so finally, okay, so now we're going to go in and we're going to prime our nails. This is the number 1 step of the liquid sequence. You're just going to put this on every single nail, the whole nail, making sure everything is covered. You want to get that nice clearing base. Okay, so now you open up the clear coat and we are going to stir it just because that makes sure everything is nice and smooth so when you go in and dip, you don't get the bumps. So your first layer is going to be 3/4 of your nail. And then you're going to dip that in. You're not going to do the whole nail because this gives that natural curve to the nail, which I am a big fan of. So that's why I do that. But you're going to do 3/4 of all your nails. And dip that in first as your first coat. And now you're going to brush it all off. Brush, 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 brush. And now you're going to go in and do your second coat, which is going to be all the way from your cuticle to the top of the nail. And dip it in. And you keep doing that for all of your nails. I like to do a clear coat because my nails are thin, so this makes it extra secure. Now when you're done with that, you're going to brush it all off and open up your color. I'm using this pink color, and you're going to do the exact same thing. The first coat, make sure you stir, and then the first coat is going to be 3/4 of the nail, and your second coat is going to be the whole nail. Just wanted to show you guys a few different nails so you can get the gist. And then this is me going over doing the full nail from cuticle to the top. And fully dipping it, you're going to do this 3 times. So you have 3 top coats. Okay, so after you're done with that, you have all of your coats. You're going to go in with your number 3 step, which is your activator. And you're going to put this on all your nails. This just secures everything and kind of locks it in place so that you can do all your filing, drilling, all that stuff without losing the color. So you're going to put this on your nails and get to doing the rest. Okay, now this part is going to take some time and some patience. You're going to go in with your drill and drill off everything, all the little access bumps, all the little unevenness. You are trying to sculpt this nail into the ideal Mona Lisa of nails, okay? This is going to take some patience. Patience. You're going to be drilling, sis. So you just keep on drilling until you get to the point where you're like, now this is a masterpiece, okay? Now this is what I came here for. So as you can see, we're getting close. Still not there. Still got to keep drilling. It's a lot of trial and error, just making sure you get to where you want to go. So once you get to a place where you actually like the way your nails are starting to look, you can go in and file. This takes some time too, because SNS is really hard, so you kind of have to put some force behind that file. Just to get the desired look that you want. I'm gonna go in with the buffer and make sure everything is nice and smooth. This is my favorite part because once you finish buffering, it literally feels so smooth and nice. And this is also the point where it's like, I'm almost at the finish line. I've been here for hours. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the activator again, just to say, hey, wake up, wake up, sis, we almost there. I'm gonna need you to get up, get ready. That's basically what the activator is doing. So you're gonna put this on all of your nails. So after the activator, you are going to wipe off your nails with a clean paper towel, wiping each nail off individually. Get your finishing gel and put on your first layer. Now the first layer, you want to get that on really quick right before you do the second layer. So the first layer is you're just rushing, putting it all on. And then the second layer, you're going to take your time and really make sure that you cover every single piece of your nail. And this is the final step of the process. After a long, and I mean long journey, you are finally almost done.
See, I'm taking my time to just make sure everything is perfect. Getting that second layer on top. And once you're done, you are just going to sit there and wait for like 5-10 minutes. Don't touch nothing at all. Please don't touch nothing. And that's the finished look. Looks just like I went to the salon, doesn't it?
Yeah, guys, so that's how I did my SNS nails. I'm so thankful that you took the time to watch my tutorial. Let me know your thoughts, comment, like, subscribe. Send it to all your girlfriends, anybody else who wants to do a manicure on their own without having to go to the salon and save money. Save money. Save money. Okay? That's the point of this. We're saving money in the long run. Okay? Okay? We get resourceful out here. Out here. Okay? Okay. Okay. But guys, thanks for listening and watching, and see you next time. Bye.